How to make a thunderstorm in Grow A Garden. In the game Grow A Garden, you can make lots of fun things happen in your garden, like rain, sunshine, and even thunderstorms. Making a thunderstorm is a little tricky, but it's also really cool and fun to do. First, you need to plant something called a cloud flower. This special flower helps create clouds in your garden. To make it grow, you have to water it every day. The more you water it, the bigger and fluffier it gets. Eventually, it will look just like a real cloud. Next, you need some lightning bugs. These tiny bugs can be found in the shop or by finishing little missions in the game. When you have some lightning bugs, let them fly near your cloud flower. Now, this is the exciting part. When your cloud flower is big and full of water, and the lightning bugs are close by, your garden will start to change. The sky might get darker, and then boom, a thunderstorm will happen. You'll see lightning and hear thunder right in your garden. Thunderstorms are special because they help some plants grow faster. Also, certain rare seeds will only grow when there's a thunderstorm. So it's a great thing to make. Making a thunderstorm takes a little bit of time and care, but it's fun to watch your garden come alive with weather. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.